Log in Mojo with your user and password. Click on the sales path and your sales window will be open. We're going to select some specific dates. In this case we're going to move to March. As you can see, there's a new column called Funnel, which indicates all the touch points involved on each one of your sales. In this case we're going to click on this one. Further information about the sales path is here. First you'll see a time-lapse line with the first interaction, which in this case was on the 26th of February. Each blue dot indicates the touch points and the red dot indicates the conversion date, which in this case was the 3rd of the 3rd. We also let you know about the elapsed time between the first interaction and the conversion, which was 6 days. Further down you can see each interaction for each touch point. In this case you can see that this sale has gone through an affiliate network, which in this case was Weight Gains UK, with several interactions. Then we moved to a display campaign with Dynamatic, and then the winner, the conversion, was assigned to the Weight Gains UK affiliate network. Here you can also see the conversion information, the 3rd of the 3rd and the time. And you can also include the sales path conversion in your reports by ticking here. This information is available in all your sales. Thank you.